Time no see. Just opened it up from sitting all winter pretty much. Just working on the house all day. Now I'm going to give this a quick vacuum. Emptied out the seats that are right here and here. They got to go in. Okay, so the neighbors couldn't see me filming and thought I was talking to myself. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna give this a once over with the shark. Yeah. And then we'll do before and after. Look at that. What a disaster. Oh, hippie Burks. I guess my wife thinks it's gonna rain soon. It sucks. Show them how pregnant you are. Holy.
Ow.
Baby eats brain. It's a zombie from the inside.
Jesus.
You alright, bud?
God.
Well, I vacuumed it. You can't really see the finished product because we've been going in and out anyways. Oh, look at those.
Barefoot, thank you.
Okay, well, I've been going in. What's this?
This is what we have to do again.
Oh, those are stampy things, eh?
Yeah.
Hole punchers.
Hole punchers. Fancy hole punchers.
I still got a vacuum front, but she came out and took over.
Hey. I'm leaving now. Fine.
No, I like it. This is good. Alright, so go Westy, not Bus Depot this time. What goodies do I have here? So I got new leather curtain straps. They smell good. Instead of these plastic fandangles here that they're all breaking everywhere because they're all dried out. That one's actually in best shape I got. But anyway, then I got gutter molding that goes right across this lip here. Can you see? Can you see? So from here all the way back, and then we have rail molding, door rail molding, which is from here all the way down. That's this one. And then we got some of this tea stuff because mine's all gone to shit. Here, I'll show you one. Okay, I'm at the back of the van here. You can see it's all yeah, look at that. It's all gnarly, and if I try to move it, it'll just break. It'll just explode in my hands. And look at here. See that? So anyways, it's not perfect match, but it's close enough.